In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play chord in BandLab. If you're just getting started and want your tracks to sound fuller and more musical, chords are the quickest way to add harmony and emotion. We'll keep it simple and practical so you can start playing right away. First, let's add an instrument so you have a sound to play. On your project screen, click the plus icon to add a new track, then choose Instrument. You'll see categories like piano, synth, and pad. Any of these will work for chords. A piano gives you a clear, clean tone that makes it easy to hear each note in the chord. Synths are great for modern textures, and pads create a soft, sustained background that pairs nicely with melodies. Pick the one that matches the mood you want. Don't worry, you can always change the sound later without redoing your playing. Next, open the on-screen keyboard so you can actually play notes. On a computer, look toward the bottom of the screen and click Keyboard. On mobile, you'll tap Keys. You should now see a piano layout. If you can't reach the notes you want, use the octave buttons, usually marked with up and down arrows or plus and minus, to shift the keyboard higher or lower. Take a moment to find the note names along the keys. This will help you stay oriented as you learn chords. Now let's play a basic chord by pressing 3 keys at the same time. Start with a major chord. A major chord has a bright, happy sound. Begin on a root note, then count up 4 semitones for the next note, and 7 semitones from the root for the third note. A semitone is the smallest step on the keyboard, moving from one key to the very next one, including black keys. For example, C major is C, E, and G. Try pressing those 3 together. If it's tricky to hit all 3 at once, it's okay to roll the notes quickly from bottom to top. It will still read as a chord. For a minor chord, which has a more moody or emotional tone, start on the root, go up 3 semitones for the middle note, and 7 semitones from the root for the top note. A classic example is A minor, A, C, and E. Listen to how it feels compared to the major chord. You can move these shapes to any starting note to build more chords. That's it. Add an instrument, open the keyboard, and build major or minor chords using those simple semitone counts. Practice slowly, use your ears, and you'll be crafting rich musical progressions in no time.